excited to have this larger air fryer now because I'm actually cooking a whole roast chicken in it. Oh my god, my first time ever. Because my other one was too small. This looks so good. There's like 22 minutes left. I've got it set for, it only goes up to 30 with this air fryer, so I'm doing it for 30 minutes at a time. And I need to go look and see if I need to turn it over or not. But look how amazing that looks already. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll be back. Just look at this. It's just falling apart tender. I don't even need to cut a piece out with my scissors. I can just pull it. The one leg just pulled right off. But this looks absolutely amazing. I did flip it over, so you're supposed to cook it breast side down and then flip it. So what I'm going to do next time is 30 minutes, or actually 40 minutes breast side down, then flip it 20 minutes breast side up. So just amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. Yums. Okay, gonna go eat this as well. Look at that juiciness. Oh my goodness. Yums. This looks so good.